We are going to discuss a gate question related to linear algebra. Consider the system of linear equations. It is a non-homogeneous system of linear equations in three variables x, y, z. For what values of the parameter k, the system has infinitely many solutions. First of all, we have to find the parameter k value only when system has infinitely many solutions. This system has a solution if it is consistent. Rank of A equals to rank of augmented matrix, then the system is said to be consistent and it has infinitely many solutions. We have the condition for infinitely many solutions to this system. Rank of A equals to rank of augmented matrix, that is less than number of unknown variables. Here number of unknown variables 3, you need to get rank of the matrix less than 3. So first, this system of linear equations can be written in the matrix form. Later, you have to identify the coefficient matrix as well as right hand side constant vector. We have to consider an augmented matrix, that is a block matrix. It is a coefficient matrix obtained by the coefficients of the variables x, y, z. It is a right hand side constant vector. It is obtained by the right hand side of the constants from the given system of equations. First of all, you can reduce this augmented matrix it into echelon matrix. Echelon matrix nothing but looks like an upper triangular matrix. Using elementary row transformations, you can reduce it into an upper triangle matrix. Check whether this matrix has a zero row or not. There are no zero row. First non-zero element in any non-zero row is unity or not. Yes, it is unity. Now you can make these two elements zeros using this first row. Our first operation, the elements of second row is replaced with the difference of elements of second row and elements of first row. So this is one row operation called R2 is replaced with R2 negative R1. Similarly, you need to find 0 here. That means you make negative 2 as 0. Your operation will be third row is replaced with third row plus 2 times of first row. The equivalent matrix is the first row unchanged. You can take as it is. The second row will be 1 negative 1 0, negative 3 plus 2 negative 1, 4 negative 3 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. The third operation R3 plus 2 R1. So this is negative 2 positive 2 0, 4 negative 4 0, negative 6 positive 6 0, k negative 2. Here the number of non-zero rows concerning the matrix A only 2, therefore rank of the coefficient matrix 2. So according to condition of infinitely many solutions, rank of A equals to rank of augmented matrix. So that is less than number of unknown variables. So k negative 2 should be 0. So you have only one unknown. You need to find one unknown. You have one equation. Solving it, you get k is equals to 2. Therefore, the value of k is 2.